G'day, how's it going? It's Clayton from Planet Canada here. Today, we're going to review the very simple process of installing or uninstalling a keyless license on our standalone install of Cabinet Vision. We obviously need to install our license to access the program. So when I click on this icon here, this menu is going to pop up. And it's here where you'll be prompted to put in your server code, and then you can just jump into bringing your brilliant Cabinet Vision projects to life and begin optimizing them for your CNC. So from this menu, I just want to click on standalone. And then I just need to check and make sure that the kind of license I'm installing corresponds to the kind of license I'm trying to install. So in this case, I want the keyless wireless. Now I just need to click on install, and Cabinet Vision will ask me to put in my 24-character server code. So I'll just pop that in here. And then I'll click on install. And just like that, Cabinet Vision is ready to use. But what if perhaps your situation is a little different? Perhaps you've purchased a new module of Cabinet Vision and you would like to use this feature immediately. Or what if your license is expiring and you just need to update or refresh your license to the new expiry date? You may even want to uninstall Cabinet Vision from your office computer so that you can continue working on Cabinet Vision from home. Well, not only does uninstalling and installing our license allow us to open up and access Cabinet Vision, but this process will allow us to also update and put into effect any changes to said license. That is why it's very important for us to understand the process of installing and uninstalling Cabinet Vision from this view. So from my home screen, if I click on the Utilities tab and then the License Manager, it is from this menu where I will be able to click on my server and then revoke license. And if I'm looking to update my license, I can just revoke it and then reinstall it right away after that. So I'll just follow the prompts in clicking next, and Cabinet Vision will do the rest in revoking the license. And then I can just close it down. But if I wanted to now reinstall it, I just need to click on my server, install license, and then do the same thing and follow the prompts. And there you go. How easy is that? This is how we install and uninstall a license and update our keyless standalone licenses in Cabinet Vision. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this one, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also check out our other videos that will help guide you on your path to becoming a Cabinet Vision power user.